In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the "we couldn't verify your country" error on YouTube Premium. Whether you're trying to renew an expired membership, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your YouTube app and go to the Purchases and Memberships section. Once you're there, look for the Renew button. If it doesn't work, don't worry, there's another method that usually fixes this issue quickly. Next, click on the Google YouTube Help page. Scroll down until you see the YouTube Premium section and click on Fix YouTube Premium Membership Issues. Then, open the link that says Fix YouTube Premium Sign-up Errors. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled "We couldn't verify your country." This is where the main fixes are listed, so follow the steps carefully. Once you've completed these steps, the most important move is to purchase your membership using the YouTube mobile app instead of a web browser. After doing this, the error should be resolved, and your premium benefits will work without interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the "we couldn't verify your country" YouTube Premium error easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.